This week something clicked that I've been chasing for months. My AI agent team. Free tier bots handling the routine stuff. Paid tier models stepping in only when things get complex. Finally started running like a well-oiled machine. We're processing over 50 videos a day. Catching spam in 3 seconds flat. And the agents are autonomously handling 80% of moderation tasks. But getting here was not smooth. We hit memory bugs, timeout walls, and thread chaos. So today I'm breaking down exactly what broke, how we fixed it, and what you can steal for your own builds. Let me be honest about what went wrong, because this is where most tutorials skip ahead. First, memory synchronization. Keeping conversation context across multiple agent runs using local variables? Total chaos. State was getting lost between sessions. Second, the content pipeline kept timing out during peak hours. We were running heavy operations inline, which crushed latency. Third, multi-agent thread management. When agents were calling each other directly, one failure cascaded into everything. These 3 problems aren't unique to my setup. They're the classic growing pains of any real multi-agent system hitting production load. Here's the pattern that unlocked everything. And it maps almost perfectly to a trending open source project this week called OpenSquilla, which is building token-efficient agents with the same budget. The principle is identical. Don't waste resources. Architect smarter. Fix 1. Dedicate a session store for agent state, not local variables. Persistent context is non-negotiable. Fix 2. Queue heavy operations instead of running them inline. Your pipeline cannot tolerate sub-second latency spikes. Fix 3. Introduce a message broker between agents instead of direct calls. This single change reduced cascading failures dramatically. 3 changes. Completely different system behavior. One thing I'm really proud of this week, and this ties directly to the news cycle right now, with Amazon's Anthropic restrictions and everyone asking how to do AI coding at home without going broke, is the tiered agent routing. The idea is simple but powerful. Routine, predictable tasks go to free or cheap model tiers. Only when complexity crosses a threshold does the system escalate to a stronger, more expensive model. Think of it like a triage system. My content moderation heuristic now catches edge case spam patterns in about 3 seconds. Patterns that used to require manual review. That's the compounding value of smart routing. Let's talk numbers, because this stuff needs to be concrete. The YouTube content pipeline shipped to production and is now handling 50+ videos daily. Automated thumbnail generation is producing 94% higher click-through rates compared to our old static images. That webhook pulling YouTube Studio Analytics directly into the pipeline made a huge difference. The agent team is autonomously handling 80% of routine moderation. And separately, my paper trading strategies hit 3 straight green days across all 18 active strategies. None of this happened overnight. It's the result of small, consistent architectural improvements stacked week over week. That's the real lesson. The idea I'm most excited about right now is what I'm calling a content council. Different agents specializing in different video types. One agent that thinks like an educator. One that thinks like a vlog storyteller. One optimized for tutorials, each with its own context, tone, and heuristics. That's where this is heading. If you want to follow the build in real time, subscribe and hit the bell. I drop these weekly builder logs every week. Drop a comment with your biggest multi-agent headache right now. I read every one. And check out OpenSquilla on GitHub if you're trying to do more with less token budget. Links are in the description. See you next week.